Good morning, everybody, to finally a sunshiny day in the Philippines. Although we did have a sunshiny morning yesterday, just for a little while. Um, Looking forward to making something of this day. The guys are out there at the end of the concrete ramp right there going out to the beach, doing a little bit of cleanup so we can drag some of those big logs in and secure them for a future little build for a native style rest house over here. A lot of the woods we've been collecting up for it come from this beach out here. So we're always getting new pieces, and with some of the wood we got now, we'll be able to start building the base frame of it here before long. Not immediately. We're still gathering up. We'll let some of this stuff set and cure, but it's nice that we gathered up even more wood, and I've got a bunch stored in that room right over there and around various other places. So I'm excited that we got that wood. We did get some hard rain again last night. It just rained and rained, but that's the tropics for you right there. Melinda, the twins, and the sister-in-law, we all took off and went to S&R last night. S&R is like a wholesale club, like a Sam's or a Costco is in the U.S. Many of you know what it is. Some of you don't know what it is. You can buy all these imported products from different countries and local as well inside of there. It's like a big old supermarket, but you can get clothes and car tires and batteries and appliances and just a little bit of everything. So we went there last night at the end of the day. Actually, when it was already turning dark. We got there not long before their closing time, actually. And we ran into a subscriber there. I didn't get a picture with him because I plan on him coming to the house here. But we had met his wife already before, I think a couple times before. But he wasn't around when we had met her. But we had knew from her that he was hoping to meet me and all, and to meet Melinda, meet both of us. And we just by total chance last night ran into him in the S&R, and I'm trying to make plans with him to come out here and visit before he goes back abroad again. He's just here for a short period of time. Talking about going out, so we know the mask mandate has been lifted for outdoors, right? So the president did a executive order, and all of that has ended. It's voluntary only now. And then the mask mandate for indoors has been lifted, except on public transportation and, for instance, like in medical facilities like hospital, waiting rooms in a doctor's office, things like that. Sensible enough. Okay, no problem. But the thing is, that's not the way it's happening. These local governments are still wanting to hold on to it, tooth and nail. They want to hold on to it. So what I'm seeing and hearing is, like, for instance, during All Saints Day at the cemetery, they won't let you into the cemetery, say like locally here. They won't let you into the cemetery unless you're a certain age and you're wearing a mask and you show a vaccine card. And so the kids, like the twins, that might want to go show respect to elders and learn about that custom and tradition here and be a part of it, because many of them for several years now have not been a part of it because of what's happening. Now's their chance to be a part of the Philippine customs and traditions. But no, you've got to show your vaccination status, you've got to wear a mask, and you've got to be of a certain age. Unreal. Just absolutely unreal. Some of you may agree, some of you may disagree, and that's the beautiful thing about having some rights and being able to openly speak of differences in opinion. I don't get it. So then last night, let's digress back to S&R. I got to S&R and they would not let me in unless I had a mask on. I said, well, The president signed an executive order. It's not required anymore. They said, yeah, but it's our company policy. The security guard insisted, it's our company policy. You can't come in without a mask. I said, so y'all just all gonna start overriding the president's orders, and he's trying to restart the country and he's trying to open things up? Sorry, sir, it's our policy. So Melinda said, James, just put on a mask. I said, I did not bring one because by the orders of the president, I don't need it anymore. I'm not riding in public transportation. I'm not in a hospital. I'm not in a medical doctor's office or something like that. I didn't need one. So I said, I'm sorry, but I don't have one. But I'm here to spend money. But I'll drive back home if I can't come in. And the guard just kind of sold his face up, motioned me to go on inside. I went inside. I noticed about 4 or 5 Filipinos as well, women and men both, with the mask completely off. Kudos for them, because an order is an order. I mean, it's from the top directive. And then you get every single place still going to hold on to that. Nothing's changed then. We went to SM Mall and they didn't require it. They were very accommodating, you know, come on in. We went to other places and they require it. But I've talked to other people that have told me also so many places they've went into that over the past couple of days they've implemented these policies, these rules. And I've even heard of some LGUs, some local government units as well, now just implementing it on their own. So I don't know how this is going to be addressed in the days coming. So are you open? Are the masks gone? Or are they not gone? That's the question. But I went on and did my thing last night. You know, all these people wearing them under their chin, just having it, making a show like it's on my face. What's that? Even the guards with it down below their nose and on their lip. But store policy, you got to have it on. But I didn't have it on and I didn't wear it, and I went in and I bought my stuff, and nobody said a word to me or treated me indifferently inside the store, including the people wearing the mask. Because as I said, there was Filipinos as well, male and female adults, that too had it off and would not put it on. So it's your choice, and that's what they've said. It's voluntary, it's your choice. So if you believe in wearing them, go ahead and wear it. I'm not telling you not to. But when the top dog, the main man, you know, the head honcho, makes an executive order, I think he's making decisions that he knows good for the whole country, and that these companies and these LGUs should abide by that. Just my opinion. And thank you, BBM, for all you're doing so far. I think so far, when I see, you're doing a pretty great job. Today was not a build day. I did have an admin half day, putting stone on the front of the house by himself there, but I'm really not going to consider that a work day. And Joel, he's out because when he was chopping wood out here at the beach for his house, he hit his hand with a bolo and cut his hand, but it's healing, not too bad. I had the guys out here reinforcing some sand. There's a little bit they just put just in the past, a little bit right here, not much, but we're not going to clean this particular rubble here up, this little wood chips and all. We're going to cover it over with sand and let it compost underneath the ground, and it makes nice fertile soil for things that we plant out here and all. And it kind of, when it rots, it kind of helps bind and kind of stick some of this together too, believe it or not. So we'll just cover that. Melinda, she got her a wood pile here, some good looking sticks to cook with. Believe it or not, man, that is some nice stuff to cook with. Has a nice aroma. It'll dry, it'll burn good. Put some nice flavors in those big pots, those big cauldrons when you're cooking with them. Man, you're fixing like KBL or Tanola Manuk or any of those dishes. Man, you get that smoky wood flavor in it. So nice. So I'll show y'all here how we've been cleaning up out here on the drive that goes out to the beach here. And you can see We have cleared all of this out. We brought numerous big logs in up there. We got some great big ones we're gonna drag through soon. Guys, clearing it out, and they're getting this last gaming cage here that we were working on when the storm hit, and it wasn't filled all the way up with stone yet, and the top wasn't tied, so the top's rocked over there, and we'll get it finished up. And then we're gonna be continuing on with more of them right out across here and down this other side as well. We'll continue right on. This is just more of a reinforcement as why we're doing it. Marvin's getting him some firewood there too. We've all been getting firewood. I really didn't video it. We all worked out here together. Every one of us, all the guys, Melinda, the kids, everybody, cleaning all this out. Just enjoyed the time. Felt like not recording it, you know. It was a good time with all of us working together. It's like this lady here, she's going through here picking out sticks, sacking them up. There's been people all day long doing this. There's some down there right now. I see some fires burning down the beach. They're starting to make piles and burn some of the rubble, but see, she's getting her sacks and sticks together, cooking wood. There's something Miss Mel's fixing to start gathering more too.
Yes, the one that size like this, put in a charcoal.
Yeah.
People always pass by here seeing me picking up a wood. They always say, I don't need it.
Confused why you're picking up wood. We pick it up too because this is how we afford to live the life that we do. Part of the reason we get so far ahead, because we don't have too much pride, and we're not shameful to use this wood, to come out here and pick up this wood. And life goes on. And you see that's getting all cleaned up. It's getting thinner and thinner. Hey, Tootie Lot. Hey, Lollipop King.
I like the sun like this, it's very clean.
Isn't that beautiful? The beauty is already returning back here. Just ignore that right there. That'll clean itself up, won't it, baby?
Yes.
They will work down and chop that with bolos and axes and tote it away.
Separate, you know.
Yeah, they will. Now be sure, subscribe. The Texas Filipina. I'll have a link to it right here at the end of this video, and it'll also be in the description. You know, try to hook my wife up. I know y'all really love her, and y'all really enjoyed Melinda. Of course, she'll still be in my videos. Show things from her side, from her set of eyes.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, Mel. It looks like your channel's doing good.
Yeah.
Your views are going up, man. It's looking great.
We have good people supporting on that. On our channel here.
There you go. It's pretty
cool.
Support
me as well. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate it.
Isn't this wonderful? Look here, our nieces and nephews, and plus Nardo's kids, which are just like family to us also. Yeah. Man, very enjoyable. Absolutely beautiful.